If you want to share your VPN connection with someone else through a hotspot, this video will guide you through every step in a simple way. And if you still do not have a good VPN, there is a link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. It is fast, stable, and works well when you share your connection. First, open your VPN and connect to the server you want. Wait until the VPN shows that it is fully connected. After that, go to your phone settings and turn on the mobile hotspot or personal hotspot feature. On most phones, you will find it inside the network or connection settings. Make sure your hotspot has a name and a password so the second device can join it. Now take the second phone. Open its Wi-Fi settings. Find the hotspot name from your main phone. Enter the password and connect. Once it connects, all the internet traffic on the second phone will now go through the VPN because your main phone is already running NordVPN. This works for browsing, streaming, and anything else that needs internet. If your phone or carrier blocks hotspot sharing while the VPN is active, you can use USB tethering instead. Connect the second phone to the main phone using a cable. Then turn on USB tethering on the main phone. The VPN connection will be shared the same way through the cable. This method is stable and works on most phones. You can also use this method to share the VPN connection with a tablet or any other Wi-Fi device around you. It is a simple way to keep more than one device protected without having to install or set up NordVPN on every single one. And once again, if you want a strong and reliable VPN, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep all your devices secure.